Okay, so as we can see here, there is a big box, so big that it doesn't even fit inside the camera's frame. As you can tell from the video title, it is none other than the Yeti Machete. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So now, because it's so close to the camera, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this really smoothly. I'll try. Be careful. You're going to see just how close I am when you see the blade into the frame. And yeah, look at that. That's how close we are. That's how close we are. Now I could have just put this on a higher thing, but I did not do that, so we'll just have to make use of it. Now because this thing is so close to it, I have to actually pull the box away a little bit. Lest I disturb the setup. And yes, I can see one of them already. Again, I'm going to have to bend the side of the box a bit. Now things are looking really dark here, so let me turn this light. There we go. You know, actually, it really helps to put this on a higher thing. Well, whatever. Put this yeah, and now that happened. You know what? Let me just move some things away for a second here. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now this is what I wanted to do. I just have to hold the camera with one hand for now. It's even here. Right here, I have the Yeti Rambler straw cap. Fits all Rambler bottles, well, I hope so. Okay, now that's out of the way. Don't want it to look too distracting. So, yeah, Yeti Rambler straw cap. But the most important now, what I'm picking the video for, is these. Nice, loud, explosive. Okay, I'm not going to be popping all of these because it's really loud. Oh my goodness. These are really well packed. Wow. Let me turn this light here so we can see them better. And dang, look at them. That red is gorgeous. Do you see it? Yes, you do. It is pretty. Really pretty. And this is supposed to be the Pacific Blue. Looks a lot like my pure water bottle. Let me pull that off for a second here. Yeah. Well, actually, no. The pure is a lot brighter, as we can see here. More like a sky blue. This really does look more like that Pacific Reef blue, probably like the color of a fish or one of the coral or something. All right, let's take it out of the frame now. Put that away. And normally I'd like to have this camera on a stand or something, but right now I have to hold it with one hand because this box is just so big. Alright, so now I finally have my camera back in place. Just let's look at these things. So, let me get rid of the plastic first. This is indeed a pretty big and thick bottle. I didn't bring a thing to measure the girth, but for the size, let me get it in the frame. Yes, I know. So I don't think I'm even measuring correctly. You know, I can't measure it that way. I have to measure it like this. No, not even that works. Okay, let's just say this thing is 28 centimeters. Yeah, so it's 28 centimeters tall. So that's a pretty tall bottle. Now let's look at some of the specifications here. Focus over there. So good for dirt roads, heat waves, airboats, holds 3 cold ones, 1.5 cups of tea, have enough cups of, what? Mint juleps? I don't know what the hell that is, so let's just turn off this light here and see if it'll reduce the glare. Yes, it looks way better now. Now we can actually read. Made with Duo kitchen grade 18 to 18 stainless steel. You can read the other stuff there. Over here, 3-finger grip for easy carry, 100% leak proof. Well, it better be. I'm gonna look inside it very soon. Let's see. No, I think I have it the wrong way. Yeah, this is the side. Reef blue, made in China. Designed in Texas, made in China. So it's kind of like what Apple does, where it's designed in California, but then they make it in China. And now for the one in Canyon Red. Yes, yes, oh yes. Whew, look at that red. It is gorgeous. And both of these guys are lovely. Wow. Alright, let's look inside them now. So this is what this... Whoa, there's papers inside of it. Well, okay, we have to check this out. We have to check out these papers. Why do they have paper inside them? So, okay, my hand isn't small enough to fit inside. That's okay, because I do have fairly big hands, so whatever. So, yes, for your books and stuff, this is what you get. Just gonna highlight these really quickly and pause reading if you want, so I don't think anybody's gonna be doing that. You can see the Yeti monster. Oh yeah, by the way, speaking of Yeti, for those of you who don't know, it actually originates from Nepal. So it's basically the Nepalese snowy Sasquatch. You never knew? Well, now you know. Okay, so let me move this red one aside. Take a look at this booklet here. Some of the other stuff that they have. Look at it here. Okay, I need to put this away so we can actually see this. It looks upside down. I don't know, maybe I'm thinking of the French text or something. But yeah, that's that. Here's this again. You can get it to fill in the entire frame. And okay. So that's what's inside. Now let's get the red one back in the frame. Yes, I know. Highly unnecessary stuff. But you know how I go with these videos. I just like to showcase these things. Now, where is that seal? Oh, here it is. Yes, that's actually pretty important. So just showcase the seal. So, unlike the Pure brand, their seals are black. And this is what it looks like. This squishy thing. So this is what you don't want to damage. Where's my straw cap? Where did I put that? Gosh darn it. I don't know where I put... Oh, here it is. Should I put this on in the video or should I not? Nah, I don't think we need to see that. Oh yes, one more important thing. One thing I like about Yeti is that on their website, they ship internationally, unlike Hydro Flask, where for Canada, if you want one of their bottles, you'd have to get it from someplace like Sport Check, Atmosphere, you know, those other sporting type of places. But for them, Yeti, it's cool how they just do directly. So for Hydro Flask, you might want to consider shipping internationally, because even on Instagram, I've seen some people posting saying things like, why do you only ship within the United States? Ship internationally. So, well, you other guys, consider shipping internationally. And yes, I'm aware of the comments that how people are saying that this is overpriced and how it should be made in America, not China. But you know what? It's a solid bottle. And as long as they build it right to high standards, then I don't mind that too much. Would it be cool if it made in the USA? Sure. Even better Canada. Well, it's not a Canadian brand. Do they even have Canadian water bottle brands? I don't know. I should look into that. Did you like this video? I was honestly torn between Yeti and Hydro Flask, but decided to go with Yeti because of the steer handle. But which one would you have went with? Comment, rate, like, subscribe, share, leave my blog for information, start my affiliate links in the video description, and visit my Twitter page for my latest tweets. And do not forget to also participate in the poll located at the top right corner inside the eye circle. Do not listen to this aggressive, trying too hard outro song. I am out.